Thank you so much for joining us into a brand new week of live streaming. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been trading for not almost, I keep saying this, my apologies. I've been trading for over 4 years now. And what I do in my live streams, especially in my YouTube page, is I share with you guys as much information in which that I truly believe in based on what I'm able to analyze pertaining to price action. So I share with you guys uphand in terms of any market bias I have or any anticipation of where I believe price is about to make a move towards to. And I share that with you guys live here so that you can potentially be taking on the same chase that I'm interested to take on. At the same time, if you guys are actually learning trading, it will be very helpful for you to at least understand a bias or understand a certain directional. I want to say bias again. I don't want to say the word two times. A certain directional understanding of the market. For example, let's say if you are training yourself as a trader, right, for Euro USD, okay, for example, and then if you join live streams, and then maybe it's a trader that you believe in. If you believe in me, means oh my god, thank you so much. I appreciate that a lot. Let's say if I say the market mostly is bullish and I'm anticipating for a buying opportunity, what you can do as someone who is training, right? It doesn't mean that you have to enter for buying opportunity. It doesn't mean you have to do anything. You can just analyze the market for a buying direction, okay? And then just learn how the market moves. So it will really help your, how to say, your progress right, in becoming a successful trader one day, which I believe every single one of you are. Okay, my wife told me one very nice quote. It's something that she just said for fun. It was about something else, but it was very deep. What was it? She said, is I think lah. If it's correct lah, please forgive me to my wife if I said it wrongly. She said it. It's not that you cannot do it. It's just you don't know how to. Okay, so why I say is deep, right? This quote that she made up, right? If you think about it, it is very true in the sense that anything that you want to do, not only trading, of course, I show you guys trading because I love trading, right? So I want to share it with you guys. But let's say anything you want to do, so if you feel that you cannot do it, it's not that you cannot do it. It's just you don't know how to do it. That's it. That is the only thing stopping you. If you are able to work hard enough to find the way on how to make it happen, you can do it. There is no limit to what you cannot do. Okay, you just have to find a way how. All right, so this is just a shout out to my wife. Guys, the live chat is not working now, so I need to log in through my phone. Give me a moment so I make sure I don't miss out any questions that you guys may be asking me. Huh? Okay, do we have any live chat? No. Okay, Lion. Hello, Lion. Thanks so much for joining. I apologize. I cannot see you. I cannot see your chat, but I will see it through my phone. Okay, so if you guys have any question, me feel free to just ask me. I will check my phone time to time. Okay, sit back, relax, guys. Let's get into today's session. I want to share with you guys something quite important now, which I really want you guys to focus on for this week. All right. So the thing that I want you guys to focus on. Okay, first off, I give some update first. Okay, I'm gonna slow, I'm gonna. Okay, so the update pertaining to Euro USD for last week's trade, guys, was amazing. And the trade really went insanely beautifully all the way to the TP point. I said I will tell you guys again. I was really just anticipating for these three targets mainly to be taken out. I believe these two will be taken out over the weekend. I never expect just for one session to take out all of it. But of course, we also had news. But this is one of the things that I shared with you guys a long time ago. If you really are able to understand price action properly, right? Usually, some markets will show you the directional bias that they want to head towards. Like clearly, they will show that. Euro USD was clearly showing us signs that you want to move towards the upside. I mean, you can see now we have key levels, we have created zones, which we are also respecting in also multi time frames, in smaller time frames. So we were behaving in such a manner whereby we are interested to move towards the upside. All of this is happening before the news. So since this is Euro versus USD and the news coming out was USD, hence the result may be bad for USD if whatever euro lah, the currency was already building himself up to move to the upside means by right the news should align with these buyers. Okay, but again lah, I already told many times also. I also, even though I understood this, I never used this strategy to gamble off of news. Okay, last time I used to do that, but not with this understanding, which is even more dangerous. I just believe what the news prediction will come up, then I just play. Okay, last time Biden was in charge. Somehow, most of the news that came out, whatever predicted, it came out like that. But now, because President Trump is in charge, almost everything also not is as predicted. So never gamble, guys, for news. Huh? Even though I share with you that if you understand price action properly, some currencies will show you, okay, what is the highest probability of the outcome based on what news is about to happen. Like Euro USD, for example, right? But it doesn't mean that even myself, I would just go and gamble and say, okay, confirm all my money on Euro USD for buy because confirm USD will be bad. There's no such word as confirm in trading. This is something we have to learn to let go. Huh? No matter how long we've been trading, we must learn to let go. So since we started with forex pairs, maybe I can share with you guys first already what I'm anticipating for this week and also what I want to highlight to you guys. I'm not seeing much of an opportunity for like USD JPY. GBP okay. I mean last week also same thing. We take up both of our targets. I still have one more target which I believe price is heading to. Why I did not enter this is because based on the way how I trade, right, I'm not seeing any entry opportunities as of now. Am I seeing any now? Uh, yeah, no, I'm not seeing any entry opportunities like guys as of now. So this is why I'm not entering any opportunities, even though I have one more target left, which was set by last week. By the way, this is not set by this week. I'm just leaving all of my settings here just to see lah how it will play out. Okay, but I will still share with you guys something lah. Okay, USD JPY, AUD USD also. Okay, there's something I want to share with you guys. Maybe I just share with you guys right now lah. Huh? But AUD actually there is an opportunity, that's arising right now. Now, of course, right now doesn't mean right now we can enter. You guys can watch this zone carefully, right? There is two zones here, right? This is one, okay? This is another one below here. Can you see? So essentially, I'm waiting for price to come in this level here, okay, for a potential buying opportunity. This is what I'm kind of anticipating for price to do. I can see bears coming in as of now, and right now, right as we speak, New York session also just opened up. I want to understand and look at reactions because, like I said, I'm trading. Everything is about reactions. Even though we understand a certain zone which we believe price is going to go to, how is price going to react after going to that zone is also very important, equally important. I'm essentially right now just waiting for this pullback to happen, if that even happens, and for me to see certain signs of bulls coming inside the market for a potential buying opportunity. So that's for AUD USD. I better share with you guys USD JPY first. Why I say I cannot really find much. Of course, based on this, right, you can see there's quite a bit of movement. You see what happened when we zoom out. We are in sideways, guys, for a really long time. Okay, really, really, really long time. We're not really moving up. We're not really moving down. You see, if I put the line here, we were underneath of the line. We went above for a while. We underneath the line. We went above, underneath, above, underneath, above. Right now, above, underneath, above. We're not really moving anywhere. So USD JPY may not be a pair, forex pair that I'll be focusing on for this week lah. So I just want to share that with you guys. We don't really have a very clear bias. Even in H1, you can see it actually. Even though here, right, if you see you zoom out a bit, you can see the movements. You see, it's all within the same level. Don't get shocked by the sudden move up, sudden move down. On we are essentially moving in sideways. So neither bears or neither bulls are really winning for USD JPY. So this is essentially the reason I said there is something big I wanted to highlight to you guys, and there's something big is actually related to USDJPY. Big in the sense that if you guys are highly trading USDJPY, I would recommend you guys to don't, because there isn't a clear bias to understand for potential uptrend or downtrend as of yet. I would also like to highlight to you guys about gold. Did you see what number are we at, guys? Oh my god. 3632.220. Last week we spoke, we said we believe it's going to break the 3,500 gap. I didn't know it would go until 3,600. What is this? Roughly here, last week. Roughly here. Crazy, man. Go crazy. I really don't know how high gold is going to move to. I really don't know. To be honest, no one really knows. Lah. So this is another zone that I'm actually anticipating, I'm not sure if we're entering or not. I don't think so, because like you guys know me very well. I don't like trading all time high, because I'm not so sure. It's not clear enough for a directional bias for me to understand if I'm moving up. Okay, how high potentially can I move up? So, but I'm still drawing the zone because I love to analyze. I love it. I really love analyzing the market so much. Okay, so essentially, I believe this is what may be happening. Okay, I may start to see a move towards the downside. Probably then see more bulls coming in. So if I were to enter, so why I say I wouldn't enter is because where is my TP, guys? Where do I start it? I have no idea. There is no data for me to understand a probability of how high price may be going to. To be honest, okay, the way how we use Fibonacci, right? Okay, maybe I better use. No, I just use this. Should be okay. Okay, of course, this is not Fibonacci for those that are asking. This is the Gann box, but essentially, the way how you use them only you can consider if they're the same or not. The way I use it is I consider it similar like Fibonacci, because for me, the most important is just the equilibrium level. It doesn't mean I take trades when this equilibrium level price comes into. I just use this tool to understand my premium and my discount zone. I spoke about this in one of my live streams before. This is essentially what I use this tool for. That's all. Premium, discount. So what we do in premium, essentially we sell. What we do in discount, essentially we buy. So right now, okay, you cannot use just this time frame. Let's use bigger time frames. Okay, let's just use big time frames. For example, how do you know are you in a premium or a discount without the sufficient amount of data? So think about it this way. Usually when price is in premium, okay, big institutions also can see that. And then if they were to enter selling opportunities, what can happen, guys? If they enter selling opportunities, this is not a move, huh? Okay. It is enter selling opportunities. These are kind of moves. Is it? These are all institution moving price. Powerfully make moves down. This is how high? This one we were 3,439. Okay, we don't care the behind one. 3,439 all the way the lowest to, I think this is the lowest. Yeah, 3,279. This is insane, guys, for a move. Okay, institutions can do this because why? Probably price was in a premium here, also premium here. So how now price really moving very high, right? Okay, which is beautiful. I won't disagree. But how do you know where are we right now? Are we in a premium or not? If we are in a premium, do you think it's a good idea to enter for buy? So that's why lack of data. We are literally lack of data to understand currently where are we in price. Are we really high? For example, very expensive in price right now, or are we consider equilibrium, which is also a level a bit dangerous to trade but still tradable, or are we in the very cheap zone, which is in the discount zone, which is a very ideal place to place buying opportunities, considering we are also in a very very bullish trend, but I'm not sure where we are. That's the thing. So that's why I'm just drawing the zone to understand how price will react. That's it. It doesn't mean if I draw a zone, I'm going to take a trade. Whatever trading opportunities that I'm going to take, I will tell you guys. Okay, I'm focusing on this. I'm focusing on this. I get goal. I'm not focusing. I just want to see. This week there are these four for forex side. Okay, good. Seeing bears, I essentially want to see price come down. I'm not sure if I can get this opportunity today or not. Okay, maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I might see this opportunity happen. But nevertheless, I am focusing. That means I'm focusing on AUDUSD for potential buying opportunities. Euro CAD. Okay, Euro CAD. I'm also focusing for buys, guys. But this is in the sense of a little bit of a longer term bias. Okay, I believe price will potentially head towards this direction, potentially only for me to enter for buying opportunity, but that does not mean I cannot enter sales in between. If price wants to follow my bias to reach this level, then probably move towards the upside. If this is the situation that price is focusing on to do, then I know already lah. I can be focusing on sales for now, but there isn't much of opportunity as I can see, especially right now. Earlier we did have one. Okay, this is one potentially only lah. This is one potentially, but of course, price didn't show much respect inside of this level for us to even consider this opportunity. So no, this zone has been already removed already. I will still wait lah and try to understand the probability of how much of percent do I believe price will come to this level. If it does, I know I'll be focusing on sales up to a certain point. If not, if price continues to move all the way towards the upside, I will change my bias and find another zone for potential buying opportunity, which anyhow also I will share with you guys. All right. Okay, so that's for EuroCAD. Okay, now we go to NZDJPY. If you guys are wondering, hey, Puna, why this week you got a lot of other pairs, huh? I scared you guys get bored. So I add more pairs for you guys. Okay? Okay, so this one I'm anticipating for a selling opportunity. So same concept, guys. I'm just waiting for price to come within this level for me to potentially focus on a selling opportunity. Essentially the same thing, nothing different. Okay, right now we're moving towards the upside and just waiting for price to come within this level and then start to show me potential signs of bears. If I see bears in the market, then only I'll be considering to enter this trading opportunity. If not, I would not care much. I will just find another zone to change my focus from sells to buys, and I will share that with you guys if the zone gets updated. Last but not least, guys, AUD CAD. This one I'm not sure lah. Same thing. Okay, a little bit of a longer bias whereby I believe price may come to this level for me to potentially focus for buying opportunities, and I do have targets here, but it looks like the target may be taken out already. It seems that way. But it's okay lah. Of course, we have more targets above this level. So it really depends right now on how price will start to react. Anyhow, also guys, today is only a Monday, so we can relax. Okay, nothing to rush, nothing to worry about any opportunity. Don't worry. Okay, there's always so much of opportunity in the market for us to potentially capitalize on. We just have to learn to be patient and wait for them to arise. So that's my forex side, guys, sharing with you for this week. Huh? Crypto side. Okay. So ETH is one of them. Okay. I believe there is a buying opportunity whereby I believe price may start to move towards the upside. If you guys remember, this is a zone that we had since last week. Okay. Price really is respecting the zone. How many times we come inside the zone? So we're not really breaking below. And then I am seeing certain forms of bulls, okay, come inside of the market for potential focus, potentially focusing on a buying opportunity. This is what I'm saying. Okay, I'm personally also focusing on entering a buying opportunity for ETH. But if I do, I will share that with you guys in my Instagram story. So do stay tuned. I do have links in the description if you guys want to follow me on Instagram. Last but not least, Solana. Solana also same concept. Today when I analyzed the market, right, it was during Asia session was roughly here. I never expect London to really push all the way up, okay, because Asia means okay lah. There's quite a bit of not really that much room to come back down. This can happen during London also, no problem. For me to focus on buying opportunities, I never expected Asia to keep pushing price all the way up. But the bias is still the same lah. I still will be waiting for price to come within this level personally, and then I'll be considering if I can be focusing on buys right now, or I should be changing my understanding from buys to sells. So anyhow, also like I said, I will keep updating you guys if any zones get changed or updated based on how price action is reacting. But as of now, what I share with you guys is what I believe in and how price is about to react. Okay, so guys, I think that's it, guys. Today's live stream, nothing much of opportunity that can be entering except like for ADUSD, okay, but I don't think I can enter today. I'll be honest because I'm not sure how price will react. Maybe I will keep my eyes glued on ADUSD and also NZD JPY because these are the only two pairs that are very close by the entry zones. If you guys are wondering, lah, very close by, so that's why. Okay, let me move them higher lah. Actually, that would make more sense. Yeah, ADUSD and NZD-JPY. So they are very close by to the entry levels, which is why I am more focused on them as compared to AUD-CAD and Euro CAD. Okay, Euro CAD confirm is last because we really do have some room to grow. Definitely. Gold, I like I said, okay, I may not enter. I just want to see how price will react within this level. If you guys are trading gold, please do, but be very cautious in the concept whereby I share with you just now. We do not understand if we are in a premium or discount, considering we do not have any data to really go by that bias to understand it. So we're not so sure where we are currently in price. Remember, all-time highs are territories where price has never been before, so price can react very differently. Just have that in your mind when you guys are interested to trade with gold. Personally, I will not be trading gold. I just want to understand and see how price reacts. That's all. Okay, I just will share with you guys how high gold already went. Okay, so traders, I think that will be all for today's session. I hope it was insightful for you as it was for me. If you guys are interested, right, to learn like how I do my analysis, okay, like for example, Euro USD, okay, I gave you guys all this analysis before the market even continued or even started. How I do my own personal trading and so on, everything. Basically, I do have my own personal course, a 6 weeks course, whereby if you're a total newbie to trading, so it does not matter. But all I can tell you is within 6 week time, if you practice and is dedicated to the teachings that I give you, you'll be able to do exactly the same thing that I'm doing on my live streams day by day from Monday to Friday. Okay, so everything I draw here will make 100% sense. Why is this zone here? Why I draw this line here? All of this will make 100% sense if you really understood the concept of how I trade. And if you would like to learn more and understand more details about that course, I do have my links in the description below. The links are essentially my WhatsApp link or my Instagram handle, which you can send me a DM there to find out more details about the course. Okay, that's introducing, guys. Links are in the description below. Huh? I would think, guys, I will end the live stream here. Once again, thank you so much for joining the live stream. I appreciate every single one of you. Let me check my live chat. Thanks, sir. No worries, Durga. Thank you so much for joining. And I will catch you on the next live stream. Stay safe, traders. Very good night. Goodbye.